If you stop drinking water right now, your brain will literally begin to shrink inside of your dark, bony skull. Most people walk around completely dehydrated without realizing that their cognitive processing speed is dropping by massive double digits today. This silent neurological dry spell is happening inside your head at this very moment while you watch this video now. A tiny 2% drop in your body hydration levels can actually trigger immediate short-term memory loss issues quickly. Your mental energy drops fast because your nervous cells require constant fluid pressure to transmit important electrical signals daily now. Imagine your brain cells literally gasping for fluid like a withered plant struggling under a hot summer desert sun today. This basic liquid is not just a drink, but is actually the primary fuel driving your entire conscious experience daily. Let us explore what actually happens when we deny this vital fluid to the most delicate organ we own today. Your brain is made of 75% water, which makes it incredibly sensitive to any tiny fluid loss now. Without constant moisture, your brain cells must work twice as hard to perform simple, everyday logical mental tasks now daily. This fluid maintains the perfect balance of sodium and potassium ions required for rapid electrical communication between neuron networks daily. When water levels drop lower, your cerebrospinal fluid volume decreases and fails to cushion your brain properly today, now. Your head begins to ache because the shrinking brain pulls gently on the sensitive protective membranes surrounding it weakly now. This painful physical pulling sensation is what you actually experience as a classic standard annoying dehydration-related headache today now. Blood vessels inside your head quickly dilate in a desperate attempt to bring more fluid to the thirsty tissue daily. This dilation causes localized throbbing pain that signals your conscious mind to find a fresh, clean beverage immediately, right now. The brain cannot store water like a sponge, so it depends entirely on constant external consumption throughout your day-to-day. Every breath you exhale and every drop of sweat you produce slowly drains this vital cerebral fluid reserve completely daily. Your body constantly prioritizes water distribution, sending it to key organs first, while leaving non-essential systems dry. However, the brain always demands the absolute highest priority and will steal water from other tissues to survive today now. This survival mechanism keeps you thinking, but leaves the rest of your body feeling incredibly tired and sluggish today now. Your digestive system slows down because the brain has actively diverted essential water resources to keep itself fully hydrated now. Your muscles grow weak and cramp because they have been deprived of the essential electrolytes dissolved in pure water today. This shows how the nervous system will ruthlessly sacrifice your physical comfort to protect its own delicate internal environment daily. But this internal biological heist can only last so long before severe cognitive dysfunction begins to take over completely now. When dehydration continues past a few hours, your brain actually begins to shrink in total physical volume quite rapidly now. This physical shrinkage is not metaphorical, but is a real, measurable anatomical reduction, verified by modern high-tech scanners today. The gray matter cells literally lose their plump, healthy shape and begin to shrivel like tiny, dry grapes today now. This cell shriveling disrupts the fragile myelin sheaths that insulate your neural wiring and speed up transmission signals daily now. As a direct result, your reaction time slows down significantly, making simple tasks like driving highly dangerous indeed today now. You might find yourself staring blankly at your computer screen, unable to process basic words or simple mathematical equations today. Your emotional regulation center begins to fail completely, leading to sudden irritability and high anxiety for no reason today now. The brain struggles to produce essential neurotransmitters like serotonin and dopamine because chemical synthesis requires ample active water daily now. Without these vital neurotransmitters, you feel suddenly depressed, anxious, moody, and unable to focus on any creative task today now. Most people blame stress for their bad mood, when they actually just need to drink a single glass of water. By the time you actually feel thirsty, your body is already suffering from a significant physical fluid deficit right now. Thirst is not an early warning signal, but is actually an emergency alarm, indicating your system is already dry today. Your kidneys are already working overtime to filter toxins while desperately recycling whatever precious water is still left inside now. They stop producing light urine and instead create a highly concentrated dark yellow fluid to save every single drop today. This concentration of waste products can lead to painful kidney stones and other severe internal medical issues over time now. Meanwhile, your heart must beat much faster to pump the thickening blood through your increasingly restricted vascular system today now. Thicker blood means higher blood pressure, which puts immense stress on your delicate cardiovascular system during basic tasks daily now. Your body is now in a state of high physiological stress, all because you forgot to drink some fluid today. If you ignore these warnings, the brain will start shutting down non-essential cognitive subroutines to preserve basic life now. You enter a state of severe mental fog where complex thought processes become almost entirely impossible to execute today now. Did you know your brain uses 20% of your body total energy, despite representing only 2% weight now? This massive energy consumption is powered by water, which acts as the medium for all cellular metabolic chemical reactions daily. Without sufficient water, your brain's cellular batteries cannot produce ATP, which is the basic currency of cellular energy today now. This means dehydration literally starves your brain of power, leaving you mentally exhausted, even if you slept well last night. Furthermore, water is absolutely essential for clearing out toxic metabolic waste products that accumulate in your active brain daily now. During deep sleep, your brain literally washes itself using cerebrospinal fluid to clear away dangerous amyloid beta plaque deposits daily. This nighttime cleaning cycle is heavily compromised when you are dehydrated, leading to a buildup of toxic proteins weekly now. Scientists believe chronic dehydration could be a major contributing factor to long-term neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's dementia today now. Your brain is literally drowning in its own toxic waste products simply because you do not drink enough fluid daily. Think of it as a busy city where the garbage collectors went on strike because there was no fuel today. Another shocking fact is that dehydration can actually cause temporary hallucinations and severe sensory distortions in normal healthy people today. When fluid is extremely low, the brain's sensory processing centers begin to misinterpret incoming signals from your eyes, ears today. You might see shadows flicker or hear strange faint noises that are not actually present in your physical environment now. The brain is essentially misfiring and creating its own false reality in a desperate bid to keep processing information today. This explains why lost desert travelers frequently see mirages of beautiful, refreshing lakes that do not actually exist there now. Their dehydrated brains are projecting their deepest subconscious desires directly onto their visual field in a desperate hallucination today now. This is a terrifying demonstration of how quickly our perception of reality can completely break down without simple water today. Your entire conscious experience is ultimately a fragile construct created by a wet organ floating in a dark skull daily. If you dry out that wet organ, the construct of your reality begins to crumble and fail immediately, right now. It is a humbling reminder of our biological dependence on the most basic chemical compound on this beautiful planet today. Fortunately, reversing these terrifying cognitive effects is incredibly simple and can be achieved in just a few short minutes today. Drinking a single large glass of water can start rehydrating your brain cells almost immediately after your first sip now. Within just 20 minutes, your brain blood flow increases and your cognitive processing speed returns to its optimal level now. To maintain peak mental performance, scientists recommend drinking small amounts of water consistently throughout your entire busy workday now daily. Do not wait until you are thirsty, but instead keep a reusable water bottle visible on your office desk daily. Aim to drink at least 2 liters of water daily, adjusted for your physical activity level and local climate now. You can also eat water-rich foods like fresh cucumbers, juicy watermelons, and crisp celery to boost your hydration today. These foods contain essential electrolytes that help your body absorb and utilize the water much more efficiently than normal today. Avoid consuming too much caffeine or sweet sugary drinks, which can actually act as mild diuretics and dehydrate you today. These beverages may taste good, but they ultimately increase your rate of fluid loss through accelerated kidney filtration processes daily. If you feel a sudden wave of afternoon fatigue, reach for a glass of water instead of another coffee today. You will be amazed at how quickly your natural energy returns once your brain is properly hydrated once again now. Another useful tip is to drink a large glass of warm water immediately after waking up every single morning daily. This jumpstarts your metabolism and rehydrates your body after 8 long hours of continuous fluid loss during your sleep today. This simple morning habit can dramatically improve your focus, mental clarity, and mood for the rest of your day today. Your brain is a highly complex organic supercomputer that requires constant liquid coolant to operate safely and efficiently every day now. By keeping it hydrated, you unlock your full intellectual potential and protect your long-term neurological health and wellness today. The next time you feel a headache or struggle to focus, remember that your brain is crying for water now. Listen to your body and give it the simple fluid it needs to keep your consciousness running smoothly today, now. It is the easiest and most effective way to optimize your mind and live a healthy, productive, vibrant life today. So go ahead and take a refreshing sip of water right now to celebrate your newly acquired scientific knowledge today. Your brain will thank you by thinking faster, working harder, and feeling much happier during all your daily challenges today. If you enjoyed this deep scientific dive, make sure to subscribe for more fascinating insights into your amazing body today. We bring you highly detailed explanations of the hidden biology that shapes your everyday human experience and mental performance now. Remember that a healthy brain is a hydrated brain, and tonight your mind will seek that vital fluid once again.